This is Todd Burnham with Burnham Law. And as you may know, I am a divorce attorney and founding partner of Burnham Law that has 6 offices. So we deal with family law and we deal with divorce. And during this time, everyone's talking about, being in quarantine with their spouse and how divorce rates are going to rise and all of that stuff. So I wanted to take a different approach and start thinking positively, right? So what are the 5 things that you can do during this quarantine time and social distancing that you can reconnect with your spouse? Okay? Yes, I'm a divorce lawyer. Yes, this isn't normally like my MO, but I think these are extreme times, and I'm not someone that I'm not someone that wants this kind of reality for us all in any way. So here are my 5. First one, wedding photos. Like, that's the beginning point, right? So look at those wedding photos with your spouse and reconnect to that time, right? And you can't say something like, "Oh yeah, that was like before you started to suck." So that would probably not be a good thing. 2, workouts, right? I just saw something from Schwarzenegger, like there's something, you can Google it. It's about no weights and how he used to work out with just, things in the home, right? So work out together. Even if it's, not anything too strenuous, you're doing something together that is putting your mind and body to work. I find that working out for me lowers my stress level significantly. Normally I would work out like 5 times a week, and this morning I went for a run. It sucked, but I did it, right? And then also giving my wife Katie a chance to have her time too. So in about 5 minutes, I'm going to go, wrestle up these kids so she can go for a run. So I think that helps. Hey man, here's the other thing, like, go for a walk. But when you go for a walk, even if you think he sucks, right? Everyone kind of might be a little stressed out right now. Be the first person to just make one move of holding that person's hand, okay? Holding hands, little connections like that stimulate more things and more feeling, in my experience. And it's a whole lot less expensive than virtual therapy, right? Let's see what else I got. Ask how his parents are doing. Ask how her parents are doing. This is a really concerning time, especially for our elderly relatives. So just reaching out, and it's not like, "Hey, I think you're a complete asshole, but how are your parents?" Right? Like, just tone that shit down. How's mom doing? Have you talked to her today? I really appreciate when my wife asks me how my mom is, because it's something that's on my mind a lot and it's concerning to me. So I think that would help. Let's see. This is what I'm doing now. Paint together. Like, improve something together that you guys are both connected to. So if you're living in the house, take some time and invest in that, and invest the time doing something together, right? It's not like you paint that room and I'll paint this room. Like, you guys are both on the same page towards improving the place where you live. That's all I got. I hope that helps, but get your mind right. Start thinking about those things. I think those things are really important. And if you do those things, this isn't going to be the negativity, I think, can be diminished if you're in those moments of crisis. Divorce isn't the answer. It's the last answer. All right. Have a good day.